Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I am changing brokers from TD Ameritrade to M1 Finance for my dividend account. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this episode, and if you guys get anything in value out of this video, please repay me with a huge like. It's greatly appreciated. So now let's jump into it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! So when choosing any broker, it's all about choosing a broker that meets your goals. If you guys are a day trader, you guys are going to want a broker that makes it very easy for you to be in and out of a position as fast and as streamless as possible. When choosing a swing trading broker, you guys want a broker that is very similar to that. Maybe you can take it on the go. You can have good solid charts. You maybe want to have low commissions, low fees, everything like that. When choosing a dividend or a retirement account, you want a broker that's going to be around for a while. You want a broker that, you can actually diversify your money the best way you guys can. And I think that's where M1 Finance kind of steps ahead a lot of the other brokers. The reason why I think that is because they have this thing called pie investing. So if let's say you guys want to automatically invest 40% of your money into the S&P 500, you can do that. If you guys want to take another 20% and invest it into some bonds and use those bonds to act as your defense, you can do that. And you can just take the rest of your money, the rest of your percentage, and automatically invest it into high quality dividend stocks. And you can choose, okay, I want to invest 5% in Home Depot. I want to invest 10% in Costco, and then 1% in, let's just say, Microsoft. You can actually do that, and they make it very simple for you to do that. Now the fees for M1 Finance is zero. They have virtually no fees, no commission, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Yes, you continue to have to pay the expense ratio that the ETFs or stocks have, which you will find that on every broker out there, because that is actually the ETF that is charging you that commission. And guys, I am not getting paid by M1 Finance or sponsored by them. I just think they're by far one of the best dividend brokers out there. Where M1 Finance kind of lacks is, one, the charts. I think the charts could be a lot better. I wish you could actually download like a program on your computer so you can actually go ahead and look at the charts on there, kind of like how TD Ameritrade Moo has it. I think that would make it a lot easier. So now where M1 Finance kind of lacks is the buying and selling part. Because they're buying mostly fraction shares, you have certain time restrictions. Whereas a regular broker, you can buy anytime really the stock market's open. Yes, and you can sign up with like M1 Plus and you can have, that capability of doing that, but that's, fees and commission, and you don't want to pay that. You want to have a little upfront cost as possible and make the overall most money you can. But I still think it's a great way for, people like myself to actually make money strictly off dividends. Another thing that they have is great is what you call DRIP. This is dividend reinvesting. So really what that is if that's, say, Coca-Cola pays you a dividend, they automatically reinvest that right back into Coke. So now the next time Coca-Cola pays you a dividend, you get a little bit more, and you just have this compound effect. So instead of your portfolio looking like a linear growth, it's going to have a J-curve growth. This is why Warren Buffett has made so much money, because he's a long-term investor and his growth is exponential, which is the J-curve, not linear. And yes, I'm going to continue to have my TD Ameritrade account. I just want to get this out there. I'm going to use this account to actually go ahead and start swing trading more, because I found it very difficult to actually keep all my dividend stocks and keep everything all in one spot. So I want to have multiple different brokers for each thing that meets my needs. I have a day trading account with Lightspeed, which I use almost every single day. It's by far one of the best day trading brokers out there. You pay for commission, but it makes up for it in execution. It's very, very fast. Now I'm going to continue to have my TD Ameritrade account for my swing trades, which is awesome. That's what I want, something I can kind of take on the go, has solid charts, solid scanning, and I can actually talk to you guys about it, looking at different charts, because a lot of you are very familiar with TD Ameritrade. And now this is why I'm getting my M1 Finance account, is because I want something that is, one, on the go. One, I can very diversify my account the best way I can to have my money working for me all the time, having drip, having everything, cash flow coming in, automatically reinvesting, and they make it super simple to diversify my account, so I can't beat that. I really can't. So like always guys, it's just about choosing a broker that meets your needs. That's the biggest thing I want you guys to get out of this video. I'm not getting getting paid or sponsored by any of them. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and overall stay safe out there. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bam!